Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak, how can I keep my goals? I come across again and again with people who can't keep their long-term goals. And I rarely know anybody who can keep them. And for me, it's not a problem. Then I ask, what are the problems? In the beginning of the goal setting, we are all enthusiastic, overeager. And after 1 month, the air is out. So we become lazy and we looking for excuses not to do the things for our goals. If we understand a pendulum, it's going from left to right, from left to right. And exactly so is working our mind. The mind is first enthusiastic, excited for the new goal, and then it goes to the other direction and becomes lazy, depressed, frustrated. And it works always so, for everybody. There's no one single exception. So the other people like me don't bother. We are focused on our goal and we don't care for anything. The thing is how we set a goal that is working for us and keep the goal. First, we make a worry list. Because we worry a lot, but we can't keep the goal, what is hindering us, and so on. Then prioritize the worst outcome. Maybe you have an accident or something else, I don't care. Make a doubt list why you think the goal is not good and so on, why you can't keep your goal and so on. Make a positive outcome list. And this is crucial. Ask yourself, why is your goal good? For what you need this goal? Does your goal serve you long term? Does your goal fit you? Does God or divine want that you set this goal? And this is crucial. Do you have any idol who has done it already which you can follow? Makes it easy. If you like to give up after some time, read your positive outcome list. Then ask yourself, why do you want to give up? Makes sense, no? How many times you have given up already? Why don't you want the benefit of your goal setting? When you keep it, you get the benefits. Why do you want to follow the mass society trends instead to get what you want? Is it not worse to rebel against the norm of society? Is there any hero idol inventor who hasn't lived her life independently? That's crucial. For instance, I'm a raw course eater since over 30 years. And for sure, I have always problems to eat with other people. Still I do it. I don't care what other people think of me. So, then this next thing is be together with same-minded people. No? Makes sense if you keep a goal. Then it's easier, then you're not alone with this goal. Remember, you are the average of the people which you are together. If your family, spouse, friends don't have such goal, they will hinder you keeping your goal. It's always so. It's better to be alone than to be together with the wrong people for your goal setting. Makes also sense. Nevertheless, and that is important, you need a personal connection to people to share your emotion problems. If your personal relationships are not serving your goal, then avoid speaking about your goals. And this I do always. I have my goals, but I don't speak about them when I be together with people who don't care for my goals. Makes sense or not? For instance, you can work with different people, you can work in a different area than your friends. And still you can keep your friendships. You don't have to speak about your work. Oh? And you do it always so. So do it also with your goals. The biggest struggle is to keep a religious or healthy lifestyle when you are living with people together who are living the opposite. I have never seen that this will work out. Never. There's not one single exception what I've seen in my whole life. My first priorities in my life are the religious and healthy lifestyle. And so I can keep it. And it's okay for me to live with the wrong people for a year. And it always ended before that 1 year because it doesn't fit. You see, if you want to live long and enjoy your life healthy, there is no other option than to prioritize this as a first thing over relationships that you are together. It's ziemlich hard. I know that. And I will do it again and again. You can be together with your girlfriend, but then don't live with your girlfriend together. Or with your boyfriend, if your girlfriend or boyfriend is not religious or live a healthy lifestyle. And everything is fantastic. Okay? And so I do it also. And it works. Okay? It's much better than to be living with the wrong people together. And then you have more love for your boyfriend and girlfriend because then you spend your quality time with them. Fine, everything is perfect. Okay. Thank you that I could speak about that, and bye.